Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 29th of November. And first of all, national news. PM Modi to launch Viksit Bharat at 2047 vision document in January, Niti Aayog CEO. 60% people in Delhi, Mumbai willing to relocate due to air pollution. Survey. Manipur's armed group UNLF signed peace deal, 6-decade long armed movement in. In Center versus Delhi, Supreme Court cleared 6-month extension for top officer. Delhi's winter peak power demand may cross 5,700 megawatt mark, break records. Cabinet approved terms of reference for 16th Finance Commission. Cabinet extended free grain distribution to 81.35 crore poor for 5 years. 90 passengers on Chennai-Pune train complain of food poisoning. First bullet train section in India by Railway Minister's big update. And now some international news. Antony Blinken to focus on extending Gaza truce on next Israel visit. Hamas invited Elon Musk to Gaza to see extent of massacres, destruction. Ukraine told NATO it won't back down in Russia fight. Greek PM said Parthenon sculptures dispute won't hurt relations with UK in long term. US military aircraft with 8 on board crashed into ocean near Japan's Yakushima Island. New Zealand's new Prime Minister planned to ban cell phone use in schools and end tobacco controls in first 100 days. Now some sports news. Shiv Thapa, Amit Panghal storm into quarters at men's national boxing championships. Make track and field events more attractive and marketable, Neeraj Chopra. Kylian Mbappe's 98th minute penalty on PSG Champions League draw with Newcastle. Rahul Dravid signed new contract to continue as Team India head coach. India to tour Sri Lanka in July to August 2024 for 6-match white ball series. Sreesanth Stuart Binny to play in American Premier League T20 tournament. Virat Kohli still has lot of cricket and runs left in him. Sachin Tendulkar. Now business related news. Finance Ministry suggested tighter cyber norms, closure of mule inert bank accounts. Insolvency and bankruptcy court firms liquidated had just 5% assets, while realization from resolution only 32.84%. Tata Power to start work on 2 pumped hydro projects in Maharashtra by mid-2024. IT department conducted survey at some entities of Hinduja Group. Indian equity market entered coveted $4 trillion MCAP club for first time ever. Gold rallies 750 rupees to record high of 63,500. Silver zooms 800 rupees. Sensex rose by 305 points, Nifty by 103 in early market trade. And that's all in news. Thank you.